don't feel the space between us like I used to before. Every step I take beside you feels like home a little more. There's a quiet understanding in the way we move as one. Not two separate directions, but a path we've both begun. We are not alone in the way we are. Every breath you take isn't far from mine. When you need the strength, I will be your light. Feet don't stand apart, we're one light. If you're tired, I will hold you. If you're heavy, I will stay. There's no keeping score between us, just the love we choose each day. I can feel it in the silence, in the way our worlds align. Every part of you is with me, every part